Okay, let's make a loop of tape to vaccinate our dominoes. So first I'm going to get a piece of tape that's about about twice as long as I want the final loop to be. I'm going to put that down. I'm going to rip it by pulling apart and twisting or using scissors. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the ends of the tape together. So I'm going to take this side of the tape that is not sticky, and I'm going to put that and squeeze it against this other end of the tape that is sticky. And I'm just going to press that together and squeeze. Now I have my tape loop, which looks like this. And then I'm going to put that down on my piece of paper on the dotted line so that my domino people can be vaccinated. And so I'm just going to go ahead and start stacking my dominoes. Oh look, sticks pretty well. And then you can investigate what happens when you try and push one of these vaccinated dominoes over. Does it as easily knock over the next domino? Give it a try.